The pilot's wings soaring through the skies. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Ben who loved airplanes. He dreamed of becoming a pilot and flying through the sky. Ben would watch airplanes with excitement and imagine himself flying them. As Ben grew up, his love for airplanes grew stronger. He read books and watched videos about planes and pilots. His room was filled with model airplanes and posters. One day, Ben went to an airshow with his parents. He saw planes doing tricks in the sky and knew he wanted to be a pilot. Ben studied hard in school and learned about how airplanes fly. After finishing school, Ben went to flight school. He practiced in a flight simulator and learned about navigation and weather. Finally, he had his first flight as a student pilot. Ben followed his instructor's guidance and felt the thrill of flying. During his training, Ben faced challenges and had to work hard to improve his skills. He learned how to handle different situations and make quick decisions while flying. Ben's determination and perseverance helped him overcome obstacles and become a confident pilot. With more training, Ben became a skilled pilot. He learned how to navigate and communicate with air traffic control. Ben's dream of flying became real. Years later, Ben became a captain for an airline. He flew passengers to different places, sharing his love for flying. Ben's hard work and passion made him a respected pilot. And so, Ben's dream of being a pilot came true. His story taught children to follow their dreams and work hard. Ben showed them that with determination, they could make their dreams come true. The end.